आज हम बात करेंगे अलाइनर्स के बारे में. So, what are aligners? Basically, it's the new treatment that dentists are recommending for your teeth alignment. जो पहले braces से काम होता था वो अब aligners से होता है, which I'm wearing right now. I saw a few misinformative videos, or maybe it just didn't work out for them, or they received a false product. So those videos are making round on the internet. I personally have a very good experience, so I think that information should be out there as well. So in this video I'll tell you the cost, process, duration, and why I went ahead with this treatment. As for the whole cost of this treatment, it was around 95,000 for me. It included 2 cleaning services before and after the treatment, all the stages of the aligners that you will get, all the processes that will happen during this duration, like your scanning, craft alignment. For the process, it starts with cleaning. A proper scan of your mouth will be done. It's not like an X-ray scan. Basically, they put like a machine in your mouth and they just move it around. So it properly scans all the shapes and micro details of your mouth. Once the scan is done, your dentist and the scientists behind it will create a treatment plan for you. It will be of 4 weeks, 6 months, 1 year. Once all of that is done, aligners and the craft alignment kit will be delivered to you. So Dentcare sent this huge ass box to me. This box has all your stages pouches and they send you a wear schedule. So suppose mine starts on 5th of October 2024. You also get a craft attachment, craft alignment thingy. Your dentist will use that to create very tiny structures on your teeth to which your actual aligners will get fitted to. When you put the first set, it pains like hell, but once your teeth start to grow into that new structure, it reduces. So every 2 weeks, that is what my stage timeline was. I had to wear stage 1 for 2 weeks, stage 2 for 2 weeks, and so on. I had 13 stages, so that was like 6.5 months duration. I had to every 2 weeks go through this unbearable pain for a day or two, but then you just get used to it, and as your stages progresses you get really excited. You can see the difference. The food does not get stuck in between. So I had this tiny teeth that would come out when I would smile, and now it does not, because I'm in the retainers, the very last stage now. So people around me were very upset about it. They used to call that Q2 that and all of that. Now when I smile, you can't see it. So this is how your stage pouch looks like. It mentions upper and lower, so like upper set and lower set, and every pouch mentions stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If the pouch mentions upper and lower both, it means you're gonna get a pair of these, which is for upper and lower both. If it mentions only upper or only lower, it means you're gonna get just one of these in it. So this is how it mostly looks like. So this box has all my stages from stage 1 to 13, the craft alignment, the zero stage, and the retainers. Everything was given to me in this one box. So in case you are traveling, you can carry your current ongoing stage in this. It comes with a mirror. I have not been using it, that's why it's so dirty. It comes with this little plastic kind of thing and this hook. So in case you are wearing your aligner for the first time and it's not getting in properly, you gotta bite. It's called biter. You gotta bite on this so that it fits more. And this is for if it's too tight. Suppose you're on day 1 of your stage and it's fit in very tightly, it won't come out easily with a finger. That's when you use this hook. You like stick it here and then you just pull it out. I'm not going to do that again. I'm not an idiot. The duration depends on your need. Report after the scan will tell you how much long you need to wear it for. For me, the duration was 6.5 months for the stages and then 6 months for retainers. Why I'm still wearing right now? Let's come to that. So I got sick for like 1.5 weeks. I had a very bad case of sore throat and some pain here. My ear was also paining, and this right side pura jaw was very painful. I could not open my mouth more than this. So obviously I could not eat as well. I was having soups only and liquid type and all of that, which is why I could not wear aligners also, because my mouth was not opening. I could not put it and take it out. So
That's why I could not wear my aligners for I think a week, which puts you back in your journey. So suppose if I was on stage 12 at that time, I could not wear it for one whole week. It put me back to stage 8, and that's very demotivating because now you have to again wear stage 8 for 2 weeks, 9 for 2 weeks, 10 for 2 weeks, which just increases your duration of the treatment. Another issue that I faced was my wisdom tooth started uprooting. So my current set of aligners, my dental structure changed for the lower teeth, so my current stage was not working for me. Like the whole set is just useless to me now.
Luckily, I was going back home at that time and I told my dentist. He fixed that uprooting issue and then he called the dent care aligners people back to his clinic and we got a new scan done. That new scan gave me, I think, 5 or 6 stages, and then I started from stage 1 again. So now I'm wearing my retainers from September 4th week, I think, and this will go on till March 4th week, 6 months. This was possible only because I go to him for every minor and major dental issue that I have. Even though I live in Bangalore, it's the trust you have with your doctor. So that's why I always go to him. And that's why I also got this whole issue sorted out so quickly. You might think why I did not go ahead with braces. Yes, that would have been significantly cheaper than this aligners, but I have very small teeth, so it would have been difficult for them to put the braces for me. My dentist is from a different city and I would not be able to do regular visits to him. And I really wanted to eat my food easily. Right now, if I have to eat anything, I just remove them. And then I wear my aligners back up. So there's no issue of any kind. The only issue you might face is day 1 or 2 of every stage. Your teeth are a little sensitive at that time, so you cannot eat really hard foods as in raw carrot, or meat can be a little difficult to bite or chew, but you get used to it. It really didn't feel like very difficult journey the past whole year. So this whole video I made wearing my aligners just to show you that it does not distort your speech. It does not create any issue if you have to speak, scream, yell, rant, yap. You can do whatever while wearing them. You can also drink coffee or tea, and you can also have ice lollies and ice creams which do not require chewing of nuts or caramel. Just make sure to use toothpaste and a brush to clean them off so there is no residue on them so that it starts smelling bad. You really have to clean it every day, 2 times, 3 times. And in case you are from Jamshedpur and want to get this treatment done, I got it done from Advanced Dental Care by Dr. Hussain, who guided me through all the process, the cost, the duration, everything. That's why I was able to do it so smoothly. This is not an ad, neither for dental care nor for my dentist. I hope you found this video useful, and in case you were in a dilemma if you want to go ahead with this procedure or not, I would say if the cost does not burden you and the treatment feels right, please go ahead with it. If you have any questions that I can help in, I would be glad to do that. But at the end of the day, listen to your dentist. I am no way certified for any medical information. This was just my experience that I shared. Just go to your doctors and your dentist and listen to what they have to say. No chat GPT, no AI. Hope you found some useful information in this video, and like, share, subscribe. Bye.